This is Earth, and on Earth are humans, and they must wear clothes to cover their human bodies. Unfortunately, female human bodies like hers are constantly changing, making clothes quite uncomfortable. And every situation calls for a new look, which can get really expensive. All that effort just to feel uncomfortable and insecure. It's enough to make you not want to wear clothes at all. Sorry, you can't do that. But now, there is something to help. Introducing the More or Less dress. Fully adjustable, this dress is built for motion and adapts to the human body. The fabric stretches 4 ways and changes size instantly. It's perfect for any situation. She can wear it having drinks with friends, or for an important business presentation, even a day at the beach. Looks like you need an adjustment. Using PrimeFlex fabric, it's wrinkle-resistant and incredibly comfortable. It zips, unzips, half-zips, and adjusts at the bust, hips, and waist. Paired with engineered pleat fabric, it's the most flattering dress for any human. Ah, a human male approaches, sensing the confidence and style of the human female. Did I mention it's great for expecting mothers? You can wear it to a store, to a concert, on a boat, while traveling, and even while saving the world. And of course, your birthday. It makes a great gift. It even comes in its own carrier bag.
Join the movement for movement. Support the Kickstarter campaign today and start feeling freedom, comfort, and confidence in your clothes.